Tommy, give us our number. Press the button. Show Nicole. Show her what you do. Did you get it? Press. Thank you. Ooh. Ready, Jim? The number is 13. Announce it, please.
13.
13. Write it. Draw it. Say it.
17.
Write it. Draw it. Say it. Tom. Thank you. Lucky number 13. Mary, write it. Draw it. Say it.
Do you want to write the number or do you want to write?
Do you know what 13 looks like?
13.
13. Jody, can you show Mary what 13 looks like?
Let me show you. 13.